Hey, and welcome to this yoga class for yoga poses that can help you if you are suffering for lower back pain. So we are starting with child's pose. So sit back on your heels and you can have your hands over your head. Just find comfortable position for here to breathe. Also, you can bring your arms beside your legs if you feel more comfortable that way. And then just try to find comfortable place for you to breathe. And breathe in fully and breathe out fully. And if you feel pain somewhere in your body, try to direct your breath into that place where you can feel the pain or tension. And with every one of your exhalations, try to let go of that pain or that tension. Just few more breaths here. And then slowly prepare yourself to come onto your all fours to your tabletop. And on your tabletop, make sure that your knees are below your hips and your wrists are below your shoulders. And have that feeling that you're tucking in your belly button a little. With your inhalation, bring your shoulders back and down, lift up your chin, and with your exhalation, bring your chin to chest and round your upper back. And be really mindful of your core, so you are not overdoing that movement and causing more pressure to your lower back. So inhale, lift your gaze up a little, bring your shoulders back and down. And with your exhalation, round your upper back, bring your chin to chest. Maybe one more in here. Continue doing this for 2 times. Last exhalation, rounding your back, bringing your chin to chest. And then bring your toes under and come onto your downward facing dog. Make sure that your thighs are engaged, your back is long, your core is engaged. Press your fingers firmly on your mat. And remember that you can always have your knees bend a little if your hamstrings are tight. And just find a comfortable position here for breathing. And remember to breathe in fully and breathe out fully. Again, maybe if you feel some tension anywhere in your body, try to direct your breath into that place and try to let go of that feeling with every one of your inhalations. Few more breaths here. And then prepare yourself for standing forward fold. So step in between your hands And now you can have that little bend in your knees. You can have your palms on your mat, or you can grab hold of your opposite elbows and just stay here for a little while. Your back is rounded, and this is always comfortable position to bring a little bit movement also into your body. So if you want to rock yourself a little bit from side to side, you can do that. And focus on your breath and focus on letting go. Find relaxation in this pose. Few more breaths here. And when you start move from pose to another, just move mindfully and slowly and gently. So we are coming down to seated, and then actually we are coming down and lying. And come lying on your back. Lift up your heels toward your chest. Start turning your knees to your right, bringing your arms onto your shoulder level. Trying to keep both your shoulder blades firmly on your mat. Actually, that is the main issue here. So if you don't feel comfortable in your knees, you can maybe have something like cushion or bolster or something under your knees, so you feel comfortable staying here. And if you feel comfortable in your neck, you can start bringing your gaze to the opposite direction from your feet. Your gaze or your face, because you can always have your eyes closed. And few more breaths here. And then slowly prepare yourself into switching sides. Again, remember that you can take your time, move slowly and mindfully. And once you come in the middle, if you want, you can always straighten your legs before switching sides, if you feel that you are not in straight line there. And then bringing your knees to your left. Your arms are still in your shoulder level. And again, make sure that your shoulder blades are firmly in the ground on your mat. And find your breath here. Breathe in fully and breathe out fully. Few more breaths here. And then preparing yourself to move back to center. Take your time, again, slowly and mindfully, respectfully. Coming back to center, bringing your knees to chest. Just hugging your knees. Maybe you want to rock your body from side to side a little. And then open your knees to your sides and grab hold of the inside of the sole of your feet and come to your happy baby pose. So the soles of your feet are pointing towards the ceiling. And then again hug your knees in. And prepare yourself to your Savasana, your final relaxation, which is the most important part of the yoga practice. And just breathe here and let every exhalation bring a little bit more relaxation into your body. And let that relaxation rise up from your feet all the way to the crown of your head. Maybe scanning your body while you are breathing if you feel some tension. Maybe direct your breath into that place for a little while, trying to let go. I want to share a quote with you today, and it goes like this: you are important and you exist for a reason. And slowly you can bring a little bit movement into your body, your fingers and your toes, and make that movement a little bit bigger. Once you are ready, come up to seated. Find comfortable position for you to stand up, your back straight. Bringing your palms together, bringing your thumbs in between your brows, make a little bow. Namaste. And I see you next time. Bye now.